please don't scroll. If you have to improve one habit today that will change your mood, your focus, and your patience, it will be sleep. Today, we will remove the shame around rest and show you how sleep repairs the mind. Many people cut sleep to get more done. The result is slow thinking, worse memory, higher irritability, more cravings, and increased anxiety. Chronic short sleep raises risk for depression and medical illness. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Sleep has stages that clean metabolic waste from the brain, consolidate learning, and regulate emotions. For example, let's look at REM. REM is the rapid eye movement. It is a stage of sleep when vivid dreamings happen. During this stage, the brain processes emotions, memories, and stress. This is why good REM sleep helps with good mood regulation and emotional balance. Another stage is deep slow wave. Deep slow wave restores energy. This is a stage of sleep when the body repairs itself, restores physical energy, and strengthens the immune system. It is the most restorative phase of the sleep. However, blue light at night delays melatonin and keeps the brain alert. What is melatonin, you may ask? Melatonin is the hormone that signals the brain that it is time to sleep. Exposure to blue light from phones, tablets, TV, or bright LED light at night tricks the brain into thinking that it is still daytime. This delay melatonin release and makes it harder to fall asleep and keeps your brain more alert than it should be at night. Another thing is that caffeine after midday and late heavy meals disrupt sleep. Spiritually and emotionally, rest is an act of trust and stewardship of your body. So you owe that to your body. Let's look at a picture of a caregiver who stays up past midnight, scrolling to decompress, and then wakes up at 5 a.m. in the morning. How do they feel? They feel weird, feel tired all day. But if you move screen out of their room, set a regular wind down and aim at consistent time, these people mood will improve. Now, what can you do for yourself? Number one, set a consistent sleep and wake window, 7 days a week. Number two, create a 30 to 45 minutes wind down without screen. You can use a book, take a shower, or gentle stretching. Number three, reduce caffeine after noon and keep the bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Number four, if your mind races, write a 2-minute brain dump list before bed and practice slow breathing to downshift. Sleep is not selfish, it is a strategy. You need to choose one change tonight or today. Save this and share it with someone who needs permission to sleep or to rest, and follow me for more. See you in my next video.